Mercedes-Benz has officially unveiled the all-new 2026 GLB. And while its iconic boxy silhouette remains familiar, nearly everything else has been reshaped for the brand's electric future. Serving as the spiritual and technical successor to the EQB, the latest GLB marks a major shift by launching exclusively as an electric vehicle. Hybrid versions will join the lineup later, but for now, the GLB takes a bold EV-first approach. Available in both 5-seat and 7-seat configurations, it aims to deliver practicality, technology, and extended range in one premium package. Two versions have been revealed at launch. The entry model, the GLB 250 Plus with EQ technology, packs an 85 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery and adopts a sophisticated 800-volt electric architecture. A rear-mounted electric motor produces 268 horsepower and 247 pound-feet of torque, enabling a 0 to 62 mile-per-hour sprint in 7.4 seconds. The real headline, however, is its impressive range, up to 392 miles on a single charge, giving it one of the longest ranges in its class. Above it sits the GLB 350 4MATIC with EQ technology, which also uses the same 85 kilowatt-hour battery but adds a front electric motor for all-wheel drive capability. Power increases to 349 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque, cutting the 0 to 62 mile-per-hour time to 5.5 seconds. Its official range stands at 382 miles, only slightly lower due to the additional front motor and increased performance. Mercedes has also confirmed that an entry-level electric GLB will be introduced next year, followed by hybrid versions featuring 48-volt technology and multiple power levels for both front and all-wheel drive variants. Visually, the 2026 GLB aligns with newer members of the Mercedes lineup such as the CLA and GLC. The SUV features a redesigned front fascia with a wide grille, fresh headlight arrangements, and star-shaped DRLs connected by a subtle light bar. It's a distinctive look that brings the GLB deeper into Mercedes' modern design language. The rear takes an even larger leap, echoing influences from the futuristic Vision EQXX concept. Vertical taillights paired with a full-width LED bar and star-shaped signatures give the back end a tech-forward personality that stands apart from previous generations. Inside, the GLB embraces Mercedes' growing commitment to digital-first cabins. Customers can option the new Mercedes Superscreen layout, combining a 10.25-inch driver display, a 14-inch central infotainment unit, and an additional 14-inch passenger screen. The overall dashboard design is nearly flat and minimalist, offering fewer physical buttons and more screen-based interaction. The system runs on the 4th-generation MBUX platform infused with Microsoft and Google AI capabilities. The interface is powered by the Unity game engine and incorporates the MBUX virtual assistant built on ChatGPT 4o, signaling Mercedes' determination to stay at the forefront of in-car intelligence and interactivity. For now, Mercedes has only shared pricing for Germany. The GLB 250 Plus starts at €59,048, or roughly $68,700, while the more powerful GLB 350 4MATIC begins at €62,178, or approximately $72,400. These numbers reflect the premium positioning of the GLB and its considerable technological upgrades. The 2026 GLB represents a bold new direction for Mercedes in the compact SUV segment. Blending practicality, cutting-edge technology, and strong electric performance, it positions itself as one of the most advanced vehicles in its class. And with hybrid models joining soon, Mercedes is shaping the GLB to appeal to a broader audience than ever before.